Welcome to SiccaDania Filtration's office here in Skanderborg, Denmark. We are a team of 7 people with more than 20 years experience in the dairy membrane filtration business. The team have come together because they want to make a difference. We want to increase our customer focus. We want to be out there promoting membrane filtration for the benefit of the customers. We have an ambition of sharing knowledge in a simplified way. Come and talk to us early stage. We'll dig into the details and go beyond this overview and help you find the right solution. We want to do whatever is possible to simplify what membrane filtration is for the dairy industry. Being a part of SiccaDania was important for SiccaDania Filtration. First of all, from the commercial and financial strength that we get by being part of the SiccaDania group. We're also adding a lot of new technology into the portfolio of SiccaDania, which already has separation technologies like evaporation and spray drying, but also we now bring in microfiltration, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, reverse osmosis, and so on and so forth, which are very complementary technologies. In addition, we're also targeting the same customer groups, so it makes very, very good sense to work. First of all, we've been looking very much as a team to say we want more involvement, so use us as early as possible. The earlier you use this dedicated team, the faster we can apply the expertise that we have in order to give you the advantages and generate really value-added solutions. And this is what we've put together in our 5 statements: involvement, dedication, expertise, advantages, and solutions. Our philosophy is these ideas. I think looking at a relatively young company like SiccaDania, together with SiccaDania Filtration, which is basically SiccaDania Filtration, just short, SiccaDania Filtration. We're not held back by the past. We can look at the future and say, what makes sense? We can look at the opportunities for making good sense and good business for the customers and thereby to ourselves. So we're looking really confident at that, especially with this team and the support of SiccaDania from an administrative point of view, financial point of view, commercial point of view. We are very, very optimistic.